Hi boys and girls, let's get ready for another OG lesson. Let's review. We have a lot of our vowel combinations in here and our suffix, so you can read these with me or echo me. Sneak, spoil, joy, her, porch, dark, our base word catching, catching, our base word dart, darted, cage. There's our soft G. Our E hops over and still makes the A say A. Let's read these again in our strongest first grade voice. Here we go. Sneak, spoil, joy, her, porch, dark, catching, darted, cage. Let's read these again. If you are feeling happy today. Sneak, spoil, joy, her, porch, dark, catching, darted, cage. Let's read these one more time. If you are feeling excited about something, here we go. Sneak, spoil, joy, her, porch, dark, catching, darted, cage. I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym for feeling happy. There's a feeling word. If you're feeling happy, you are feeling joy. I'm thinking of a word that's the opposite, the antonym of light. If it's light outside, the opposite would be dark. I'm thinking of a word and it's when something goes bad. Could be food. You've left it out too long, it's not good anymore. Spoil. I'm thinking of a word, and it's when you're trying to be quiet, do something without anyone looking at you, knowing that you did it. Sneak. I'm thinking of a word, and it could be part of your house or the place where you live that you like to sit out on your porch. I'm thinking of a word, and it's an action word, and it can mean when you quickly run out for something. If you make a quick run, you darted. All right, you say the word before I exit out. Her, spoil, cage, porch, sneak, dark, joy, darted, catching. And we've got a new vowel combination. It's the OW. OW that comes at the end of a word says O as in snow. So it's another way of saying the O sound. OW. So look at all these OW words. They come at the end. Now this one comes at the beginning. So that word is a little different, but most of the time the OW will say O at the end. So you can read these with me or echo me. Snow, low, grow, slow, flow, show, own, throw, tow. Like if your car breaks down, it needs to get towed by a tow truck. Let's read these again in our little bit stronger first grade voice. Here we go. Snow, low, grow, slow, flow, show, own, throw, tow. Can you read these again if you're feeling tired today? Here we go. Snow, low, grow, slow, flow, show, own, throw, tow. Read these again if you're feeling a little silly today. Snow, low, grow, slow, flow, show, own, throw, tow. So I'm thinking of a word and it's the opposite, the antonym of fast. The opposite would be slow. I'm thinking of a word and It's what a flower does as it gets bigger. It's what you do as you get bigger. Grow. I'm thinking of a word that's the opposite, the antonym of high. The opposite would be low. I'm thinking of a word, and it happens in the winter time when white stuff comes down. It's a weather word, snow, and it's our key word for OW that says O. I'm thinking of a word, and it's what you can do with a ball when it's in your hands. It's an action word, throw. All right, you shout the word out before I exit out. Grow, flow, toe, show, snow, throw, slow, low, own. Good. Let's get ready to practice these words and these sounds. Here we go. Let's put the date. 5, 10, 21. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letters that say R, as in car. That is A-R. Write me the lowercase letters that say K, as in duck. We say at the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, K is spelled C-K. Write me the vowel suffix that we put at the end of a word. We add on, and it means more than one, and we add it when a word ends in CH, SH, SX, or Z. Add ES, and you'll please me for more than one, like brushes or churches. Write me the lowercase letters that say OR, as in corn. O-R. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word, after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letters. It's a vowel suffix. We add it on to the end of the word to alter the meaning, and it means right now, and it says ing. What's that suffix we can add? I-N-G says ing. Write me the lowercase letters. That's also a vowel suffix. We add it on to the end of a base word, and it means in the past. We already did it. It can say id, d, or t. It's that ed. Write me the lowercase letters that say A, as in sail or pale, and it comes in the middle of a word that says A. AI says A in the middle of a word. Write me the lowercase letters that says A at the end of a word, as in play. When it comes at the end, that sound, or day or way, it's at A-Y. Write me the lowercase letters that say S, as in nice. It's not an S, so what's the other way to get the sound if it's not an S? That soft C. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in chair. It's that CH. Write me the lowercase letters that says as in her. We hear in the middle or end of a word. ER says Let's get ready to write our words. We need our tapping hand to help us spell. Our first word is park. Here's our base word, park. Ark. Now remember, when we have this bossy R, A-R, there is no such thing as a CK. CK only comes in short vowel words. Remember what we said? At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, that's not a short vowel. So we need that strong K. Now there's our base word, park. We're going to add to it parking, like I am parking the car right now. ING says ing. Our next word, our base word, rest. Rest. 4 sounds. Rest. Now what if I said, yesterday I rested? You already did it. It says the sound of ed because our base word ends in a T. Rested. Our next word is a cooking word. Broil. Listen closely. Oil. Broil. I hear two sounds at the beginning. Br. And remember the oi in the middle is that O-I in the middle. Broil. That O at the end. Broil. Our next word. Our base word is stain. Ain. 4 sounds but 5 letters. St. A in the middle is that A-I. Remember we had it up there. A-I. Stain. Now what if I said yesterday I stained my favorite shirt? You did it in the past, so it's an ED. Sounds like a D. Stained. Let's go back and read these again. Parking, rested, broil, stained. Now at our diamond, we're working on our new sound. O-W says O, as in snow. O-W says O. O-W says O. We could skywrite it. O-W says O, as in snow. It's that long O sound. Let's practice some O words. Flip your paper over. Our first word is our keyword, snow. Sn. Oh. Ooh, 3 sounds, but 4 letters. Sn. O. O on the end is O-W. Snow. The end of the word. Our next word is low. L-O. 2 sounds, but 3 letters. L-O. There's that O-W on the end. Our next word is show. Sh-O. Well, 2 sounds again, but 4 letters. Sh-O. O-W says O. Our last word, own. Ooh, I hear that O-W first. Own. 2 sounds, but 3 letters. O is first, own. Like I own my own shoes. Own. Let's go back and read these together. Snow, low, show, own. We have a brand new word today. O-U-R. That O-U is in the word out. This starts like out. Our. That is our house. That is our classroom. Belongs to all of us. Let's skywrite. O-U-R says our. O-U-R says our. O-U-R says our. That O-U says ow. All right, let's spell it as we write it. O-U-R says our. O-U-R says our. O-U-R says our. O-U-R says our. Let's look at it 2 more times. O-U-R says our. Make sure you skywrite with me. This helps our brain remember it. O-U-R says our. Can you close your eyes and do it? O-U-R says our. Let's try it without looking. All right. O-U-R says our. Do you remember that 2-syllable word? After. A-F-Ter. T, that E-R says on the end. A-F-T-E-R. After. 2 vowel sounds, 2 syllables. Do you remember that word very? There's no A in it. Sounds like it, but there's no A. V-E-R-Y. Says very. So we have our, after, and very. Let's get our paper ready for our sentence with cops. What kind of sentence? A telling sentence, an asking sentence, or a sentence to show expression with the exclamation point? All right, here's our sentence. Just listen first. Can we go to the show with you? Oh, we call a movie a show sometimes. Let's count our words. Can we go to the show with you? 8 words. But did you hear my voice? Can we go to the show with you? Oh, my voice is going up. I'm using a question word first. Can. It's a question sentence. Start with their capital, can. Oh, whenever we start with can, that's our question word. Can we go? You've got those words. Can we go to the show? Oh, remember that O sound on the end is our new vowel sound. O-W. Can we go to the show with? Remember, it's just a W. It's not a question word. So no WH. With you. You might ask that to your mom and dad. Can we go to the show with you? Oh, your voice naturally goes up, so it's a question we're asking. Let's count our words. Are you leaving good space between your words? So we can see each word. There's our 8 words. Can we go to the show with you? All right, good job today, boys and girls.